Welcome back to Plant Lifestyles. Today I have this plant called Indian Tencel. That's what I'm going to talk about. Yes, I'm going to talk about those who want to make sales, those who are market women, those market people who really want to make sales. I'm going to talk about this and then the six flowers oil. That is what I'm going to talk about. You see, I have this oil here. That is the quick sell oil and promotion. And then I have these six flowers here. I'm going to use these three things. When you get your plant in the local language, we call it a confirm article. So you can see confirm article. So this is the plant I'm talking about. It's very powerful. We are dealing with natural things and then connecting ourselves to nature and then plant their benefit and what they can do for us. Yes, in fact, you can take a look at the plant very well, very beautiful, nice, and then yes. So in Ghana, we call it confirmatico. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how you are going to mix these three things so that you can improve your business, your finance, and how to sell very well. Most of the customers are asking for this, and then I'm going to do a video on it today. So let's stay tuned to the end of the video. So when you get your Indian Council or a confirmatical, this is what you're going to do. You are going to make sure you get your bucket, and then when you get your bucket, you are going to mash it in the water we are going to use to bath. Yes, sometimes to facilitate this process. That is why I've placed this one closer to us. It is a 77 yes power perfume. That's most powerful spiritual perfume. This 77777. That is 7 times 7. And when you turn the back, you can see this is wonderful fragrance. Wonderful fragrance has been formulated with you in mind to cater for your various needs in spheres of life. See, so check the expiring date on it, 2026. So once this one is going to be used as a catalyst, yes, so cater for your needs, various needs in life, that is in sphere of life. Okay, so what we are going to do is you get your oil. This oil are going to use on your body. Yes, these two and this one are going to these two are being used for bath. So once you mash this in the water, you are going to get the lid off. That is the lid of this one. You get it off and then you pour it. Yes, you pour it like this. Yes, when the lid is full like this, you are going to pour it in your bathing water. Yes, you are going to pour it in your bathing water. Mix with this leaf. Yes, with this leaf. This leaf mashed in the water, we are going to pour this into it and then we are going to bath. When you reach the bathroom, you pray your intentions on it and then you can now take your bath. Please subscribe to the channel. I have a lot to teach, a lot of spiritual things here, plant lifestyles, connect ourselves to plants and things plants can do for us. Yes, so we are going to do this for 7 days, every morning and every evening. So you are going to get a full bottle of this 77 and then we are going to fill the head or the lid to the brim as I've shown in the video. So mine I'm not going to use, so I'm going to pour it back into the container. Good. So that is how we are going to do. I'm doing mine, so I'm in the process of doing mine, and today is the fifth day. And you can see where the level of my this thing is. Yes. So you can also try yours. So once you bath morning and evening, you're going to use this one. This is the six flowers oil. Yes, this is the six flowers oil. You are going to use this to rub your body. You see, you're going to use this to rub your body in the evening. You open the lid, and once you open, you are going to use the content on your body as a pomade or oil on your body. Yes, this is when you are going to sleep. Remember, this is being used when you are going to sleep. Check the things on it for originality. See this sign here. Yes, see it very well. Okay, and then you turn the other end too and see this there. Make sure you find it, and then as you can see, it's 14 milliliters, and then it's from UK. So make sure you don't buy. Make sure the one you have. Um, this one is a stick, like part of plant. It shouldn't be plastic all over. It shouldn't be plastic all over. This is the kind of wood used for the champagne lid. That's the same thing used for this. So make sure it is this kind for the originality. Okay, I'm going to use this as night to rub your body. And then this, when you are done bathing with this and you are going for work, or you are going to your store, or you are going to your marketplace or what, then you are going to use this to rub your body, or to, yes, rub your body or your hair or any part of your body you want to rub, and then you rub it on your body. Green signifies maturity, growing, promotion, one level to another, where that is green, you are growing. Yes. So let's move from one level to another level in our life. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. This plant lifestyles. Anything you do understand. This oil was made from plant extract, and then I'll teach in different video how they make it. So when you subscribe to the channel, you will not miss anything. Thank you. If you don't understand anything, put in the comments and I will answer you. See you in the next video.